Rocky's welding in the roof, and I just got done removing the rear glass. Now I'm gonna slick this up and see what I need to cut out.
Little gap ain't gonna hurt nothing.
Yeah. All right, Rocky. So what we got left?
All right. Well, I got this about how I want. I'll put a little bit more weld here. Put some more weld across these. Then I can smooth it all down, and we can paint it until we get ready to do the body work. And then let's see. I'll finish welding this across here solid. I'll weld this corner up solid, and then I'm gonna start welding in links in here. And this corner here will be welded solid, and grind all this off and paint it. It'll be ready for Bondo and body work.
All right.
We're getting there.
Sure are, making progress.
Slow, but we're getting there. Grind all that down too.
After I painted through it.
Well, if someone hadn't cut the patch panel,
What are you looking at me for?
chopped up a patch panel,
Yeah.
made it harder on me to put the roof on for you.
Yeah. It's like I wanted to make, yeah. I'm
Unintentionally screwed yourself. Yeah.
pretty much, yeah. Yeah.
Thanks, buddy.
Yep, you're welcome.
Oh, your patch panels.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
I need to finish welding them in, and then you ain't finished cutting that one, have you? Where did it go? Right here?
It's right there. It's pretty close.
Pretty close. Let's see how pretty close is pretty close.
I need to trim that edge.
Okay. This
Yeah.
this edge, and
That should be pretty close, I don't know.
need to trim this edge, and that corner, and that.
All four sides?
Yeah, yeah. Well, as long as it ain't really bad weather, I might fix that too for you.
All right.
While you're off loafing.
Loafing, yeah. Doing all the fun stuff in life. And
Mids.
and if it makes you feel any better, Rocky, I'm going to order 4 new door hinges for this truck.
Are you putting them on, or do I have to help you? It sounds like it's making it go.
Oh,
All right.
wait. Yep. Well, that's it for today's video. So, thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe.